Let's see how to generate a transcript of a lecture in Microsoft Teams. First, start or join your lecture meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the meeting, click on the More or the three dots menu on the meeting toolbar, and then select Start Transcription. You'll see a transcript panel appear on the side, and the Teams will begin transcribing everything that's been said. You can follow the live transcription on the right side of your screen while the lecture continues. And when the lecture ends or whenever you're done, click the More or the three dots menu again and select Stop Transcription. And that's how to generate a transcript of a lecture in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!